I'm Pat. Pat's Easy Change System here. We've got a Category 2 here going on a Category 2 tractor. There's two different ball widths, 1.5 inches and 1 3/4 inches. This is 1 3/4 inches. So we supply the Cat2 with two washers for space. I usually put one on each side. You can do both sides or one side, whichever you prefer. That just keeps it from moving around back and forth on the lift arm. So we'll get started here. Okay, after we get the hitch out of the box, we're going to slide it over the lift arm, put it through the hole. You can see on this particular lift arm, the hitch wants to drop down out here. We like to have it set up fairly parallel with the lift arm. Now it comes with a 1/4 and a 3/8 and a wedge shim. So we're going to insert a shim in the back, just slide it in the back, and to see which one size shim we need. And this particular one here, we're going to combine the two together, the 1/4 and the 3/8 shim. Set it in here, and that's got the lift arm fairly parallel with the hitch. So what I've done, lay these on firm surface, use a hammer, drive the roll pin, and that locks them together. Slide our hitch off. We drop the shims through the hole in the bottom of the hitch. Then we can slide it back on. Okay. Now, installing the washers, I usually lay one in. This could be a little challenging. I just barely start it. Okay, got my pin and everything through. Now slide one in on the other side. Use my finger to push it up, push it in. Here this roll pin goes in this little notch, and this keeps that from rotating. And remember to install your carter key. We also install the pin with the big hole. Stick it on the inside. That's for our linch pin, our stabilizer bar. Okay, now we'll finish installing the rest of our hardware.